official spokesperson of the Ahwazi Democratic Popular Front, ADPF.org. Thanks for this opportunity. The regime change in Iran is not only necessity for the Ahwazi people, however, it is for the British people and government. When we look at the negotiation during 2015, the Iranian regime wants to smuggle 3.5 TNT explosive to the UK. A couple of days ago, the MI5 arrested a Norwegian citizen who wants to kill one of the non-Persian nations activists. A few days before, again, they arrested 2 Iranians that belong to the IRGC. I think we need to make sure that we use the appropriate keywords. We are, as a non-Persian nations, not a community and not a minority. We are the nations. Iran made up of 75% of the non-Persian nations. So, how can I, for example, when I remember the Scotland referendum, I read in the newspaper, 1,100 reasons to stay in the United Kingdom. Give me one reason to just say I stay within Iran. I haven't seen anything except killing, long-term disappearance. Why should I consider myself as an Iranian? I'm an Ahwazi Arab, which I don't know any relation between myself and Iran. One thing, how can the UK government and Western community are talking with the regime that his hand is in tie with the mafia? For example, about these Norwegian guys, the regime has got hand with the mafia in Norway, in Sweden. The Saudi ambassador was to be killed in 2011, and the Iranian regime talked to the Mexican cartel to kill him. You see, so how does these, I wouldn't say the regime, it is an occupier regime or de facto regime of Iran. So please, we need to be careful. We are not community. We are not minority. We are nations. Kurdish is the nation. Ahwaz is the nation. And if we use other keywords, the future generation of Kurdistan, Ahwaz will curse us because we didn't use the appropriate word. And we are not talking in a strongest way against the occupier regime of Iran. Thank you so much.